No, at this point, the fire is still active. As far as we know, there were some transformers involved. There was an explosion. At this point, all of CWLP personnel that were present are accounted for. To our knowledge, we have no injuries. The fire has extended into the structure of CWLP, and at this point, I am unsure of exactly what the structure is. If it's part of the generation plant, I don't know, but there's heavy fire inside there also. Transformers contain oil, and the oil is also burning. It is spilled out of them. So between the oil that's running and the wind, it's blowing it inside that structure.
Area places are any in harm's way? It smells like
no, the position of that plant, there's no neighborhoods or anything that are in danger at this point. We have called in a lot of our personnel. We've made a third alarm fire because of the quantity of fire and the personnel needed for this. I know at this time we're getting response from Chatham, Rochester, Sherman, various other agencies are occupying our firehouses at this time while this goes on. It's a multi-story building. It's fairly large, something probably similar to the Hampton Inn size here. And the last reports were it extended through the second and third floor.
There's no danger from chemicals for any residents or inhalation of any of that?
No, at this point, what you're smelling is mainly coal dust and so forth. There are some hydrogen tanks and so forth that are of a concern to us, but we do have what we call unmanned monitors, large diameter hose with nozzles that are fixed on those to keep them cool, so that they don't have danger of explosion.
What's that sound we're hearing right now?
That's a normal process that the power plant goes through. At this point in time, it's still producing steam, and because it's not being used for generation, it's a normal process that it gets vented out so that of course, the boiler doesn't explode.
An estimate on how long it's going to take us to get this under control?
I have a feeling we're going to be here all night. I do not know how much of the city is affected as far as power. I know when I left my house on North Walnut Street, our house had power, but numerous street lights and so forth around through that area were without. So I really don't know how much it affects.
How does any of the city have power at this point? Are we getting power at all from the power plant? Or?
Yeah, absolutely. We are getting power, whether if it's all from CWLP or if it's switched over and bought power, I do not know. That's where I was hoping for CWLP to be able to respond over here to answer those questions.